This is the National Weather Service in Elko here to bring you a weather brief for an upcoming winter storm that will impact the region Friday into Saturday this week. There is a high confidence that a significant winter storm will bring high impacts to central Nevada and moderate impacts to northern Nevada on Friday night into Saturday morning. Model solutions continue to trend towards a rapidly developing area of low pressure across eastern Nevada on Friday that will bring a round of snow to elevations above 5,500 feet, with significant accumulations possible above 6,500 feet. Here's the latest surface forecast for Saturday morning. The area of surface low pressure is expected to strengthen over eastern Nevada with the surface cold front across southern Nevada. Behind the cold front, colder air will work its way in on the backside of this system, changing rain to snow. Winds will be breezy, but the biggest concern will be the potential for late season snowfall Friday night into Saturday. This storm will be slow moving with a 18-hour to 24-hour window of precipitation across the region. Snow levels will start quite high on Friday morning, with all rain expected below 7,000 feet. Thus, the bulk of this snowfall is expected to fall after 6 p.m. Friday night through Saturday morning. The heaviest snowfall across basin floors is expected across the higher elevations of the U.S. Highway 50 corridor, which includes Austin, Eureka, and Ely, where 5 to 7 inches of wet snow is possible. Areas around Spring Creek, Lamoille, and Clover Valley may see 2 to 6 inches of snow. Further north across the Interstate 80 corridor, light accumulations are expected in Elko County, with the highest snowfall amounts expected from Wells to Pequab Summit. The highest snow will fall across the mountains above 7,000 feet, where 1 to 2 feet could be possible. Winter storm warnings have been issued for the Ruby Mountains and East Humboldt Range beginning Friday morning and lasting through Saturday morning. In addition, winter storm warnings have been issued for southern Lander, Eureka, and White Pine counties, Friday evening through Saturday morning. Finally, winter weather advisories have been issued for southwest Elko County above 5,500 feet and south central Elko County. The impacts from this storm will be most severe Friday night into Saturday morning, especially after 10 p.m. when snow is expected to accumulate on roadways. With rain and wet snow initially melting on area roadways Friday evening, then freezing after sunset, roads could become very slick, especially above 6,000 feet. Impacts for this system will be very elevation dependent, with 500 feet changes making a significant difference in snowfall amounts and air temperatures. The greatest impacts are expected along the U.S. Highway 50 corridor with this system, with other local stretches of U.S. 6, 93, and Interstate 80, and State Routes 228 and 278 also becoming snow-covered and slick. A late-season winter storm will bring the potential for heavy snow to northeastern and central Nevada Friday through Saturday. Rain will change over to snow on Friday evening across the higher elevations of the region. Snow will begin to accumulate on area roadways, especially above 6,000 feet, Friday night through Saturday morning. The largest impacts are expected along the U.S. Highway 50 corridor, in addition to communities in the foothills of the Ruby Mountains. Travel is not advised Friday night across these regions of the state. This has been a web brief on the potential impacts and hazards of an upcoming significant winter storm from the National Weather Service in Elko. Please stay tuned to the National Weather Service for updates on this storm. Thank you for listening.